give the notes.
Okay, today I will give it. Okay. So here.
Only 12, 13 and 14.
12, 13, 14.
Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Today I will send it. Now we can see. Have you seen sprouted seeds? Have you seen it sprouted seeds?
Ma'am, excuse me.
Sprouted
That
seeds.
Sprouted seeds.
Sprouted.
small beans.
Okay, I will show the picture.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That small,
I will show the picture.
small green.
You can
Green.
easily see it. Okay. Okay, now I will share it.
Yes, ma'am. This we will eat.
Okay.
I'm in Malayalam.
Kadala.
No, it is not the thing. See
I-
here you can see green gram and Bengal gram, right? So can you feel some change in that green gram and Bengal gram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the change you can see it?
White.
Okay, white color something. Yeah, white structures are coming out of it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you used this one at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am for doing the
Okay. So see when we are keeping this green gram and Bengal gram. So this stage is called germination. Okay,
Ma'am,
this stage
will
is called
water.
germination.
They will
That
blow in
process
water.
we can explain later. Let me show you what is sprouting. Okay, so here you can see white structures on the Bengal gram and also on the green gram. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
These white structures are called sprouts. These white structures are called sprouts. S-P-R-O-U-T-S. Okay.
All the
Proud.
North Indians and all eat this.
Okay. See, dear students, please mute your audio. I will give chance for you to share your views after explaining it. Okay. In between, don't unmute. So here we can see white structure comes out of this green gram and Bengal gram, right? This white structure is called sprout. Okay, this Bengal gram and this green gram are seeds. So here you can see as the white structure comes out of it, as it is sprouted, we can say that they are ready to germinate. They already germinated. That means from these seeds, small plants are coming out of it. Understood? That white structure is called sprout. When a seed produces sprouts, that process is called sprouting. That process is called sprouting. Okay, so you have learned that from this white structure you can small plants will come out. Small plants will come out
Yes,
of
ma'am.
it.
Green.
They will produce some shoots. In the video I showed it. They will produce some stem, leaves and all. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But in smaller classes you had learned that to produce food they need roots. Here you can't see any roots. So from where they get the food?
Water.
Here in the lower classes, smaller classes, you had learned that plants need roots for preparing food, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so roots are required, leaves are required, but this sprouted seeds, they don't have any roots or leaves. So how they are preparing food? How they are germinating?
white.
Yeah.
Where they are white. Sprouts.
Yes. Tell me.
With
Ma'am,
their
in
white.
water.
Okay, no, because the seed contains the food. The seed stores the food.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Coat and all.
seed stores the food to grow for germination. In the video also you have seen it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Coat, ma'am.
All the seed stores food in it to germinate, to food for the baby plant. Understood? As the seeds stores food in them, we can also use it as food. The seeds also we can use it as food. We are using
Excuse
it.
me, ma'am.
Bengal gram, these all we are using as food, right? Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
what is your doubt? Yes.
Ma'am, in some vegetables and all these sprouts will come, right? White, like such
Some,
a.
beans and all we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Potato,
Potato also.
ginger.
That is also ginger. So many. That is all different. They are
Okay.
not seeds. Potato, ginger, they are not seeds. They are the stem of that plant. Here
Okay.
in this chapter, we are learning about the seed.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
These
Okay.
seeds also we can use it for germination. So when a seed starts to germinate, we can see a white thin structure comes out of it. What is the name of that white thin structure?
Sprout.
Sprout. That process is called sprouting. Okay, so if the seed starts to sprout, from where that seed got the food for sprouting?
That from the seed itself, they will store the food.
If a seed starts to grow into a small plant, means it requires nutrients. From where the seed gets the nutrients?
From the seeds itself.
From the seed itself. The seed, all the seeds stores food inside. Understood? As
Yes, ma'am.
the food is stored inside the seed, we can also use the seeds as food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
That
ma'am. We
is
will do
why
it
we
curry
are
and all.
using- Yeah, that is why we are using, we are including so many seeds in our food. Okay, as seed stores food inside them, we can also use these seeds as food.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
and all this will come.
Yes,
Pepper.
Sunil?
Pepper.
That
Pepper
also we
seeds.
will come to that point. Okay, so let
Okay,
me
ma'am.
see how we can make sprouts. It is a simple technique. Anybody knows how we can make sprouts? Are you doing this at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Put in water.
Anandan Raj wants to
Putting
say
some water
something.
or in a
Anandan Raj?
slow.
Yes, Anandan Raj.
I
Yes,
have
tell
a
me.
baby.
Ah.
That baby plant, that seed will
Ah.
sprout will come.
Okay, sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. Sprout. Okay.
Ma'am.
So how we can make sprout from the seed?
Ma'am, I have
Who is
sprout,
ready?
ma'am. Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
Shreya.
sprout.
I am sprout. Who is
Shreya.
Don't
That
say like that.
onion,
Shreya.
baby onion sprout.
Okay.
Shreya.
See, let me say it.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Okay, we are now discussing about the sprout from the seed.
Seeds, ma'am.
You may have seen onions, potatoes, all are the shoots are coming out of it. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that is not the sprouts. Sprouts mean white thin structure comes out of a seed. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Only from the seed.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we can make this sprout. We can use
Ma'am.
any of these. We can use Shreya. Yes, tell me, Shreya.
Ma'am, we will put it in water for some days
Okay.
and it will produce the sprouts.
Okay. So here I will explain how we can make sprouts out of a seed. Okay. We can take some dry seeds. Dry seeds means anything, any of the pulses we can use it for. Pulses means green gram, Bengal gram, peas, beans. These all are pulses. We can select any of this one, horse gram also. Okay, we can select any of the pulses for sprouting. First, we want to take some dry seeds. We can keep these dry seeds in a vessel containing water. Understood? Why we are doing it so? We want to soak that seed because the seeds are dried ones. Right? From the
Yes,
dry
ma'am.
seeds, sprouts won't come out. So we will.
Friends, someone is in the waiting room.
Okay, so we will put it in some water. That means we have to soak it in water. We can keep that in 1 day. We have to keep it for 1 day. Next day, we can drain the water out of it. We can take that seeds only. When we see that seed, we can see that it is fully soaked. Right? It has absorbed all the water and it becomes big in size. That is called soaked. Once it is soaked, we can put it in a plate or in a vessel. Then we can cover that vessel using a wet cloth. Otherwise, we can put that soaked seeds into a cloth piece and we can tie it. After that also we have to keep it for 1 day. Next day when we open that, we can see white structures that I had shown you, right? The same white structures come out of the pulses, the seed. So here our sprouts are ready. If sometimes, if in the winter season or in the rainy season, if the sprouts are not coming out in 1 day, you can spray some water over it and you can keep it for 1 more day. We can wait for 1 more day. So you can see that white sprouts come out of it. Yes, Shreya, what you want? Yes.
Ma'am, I had seen these and all, ma'am.
Okay.
I had started planting that
Good.
plants
Very
and
good.
all.
Very good.
So
These
I
sprouted seeds, we can use it in salads or in curries and all, right? See, these sprouted seeds contain more nutrients than the normal seeds. That is why doctors are advising to consume it. Understood? That means the sprouts contain more nutrients for the baby plant, right? So that all nutrients we also will get it if we eat the sprouts at that time. This is how we have to. This is how we can prepare sprouts. So I hope all can prepare sprouts at your home. If you are not planting it, then also you can use it in your food. If you like only one type of pulse as sprout, you can use that one. Otherwise, you can mix so many pulses together, and if you keep this process, you will get a mixture of sprouts. Okay, so try it and be healthy. Okay, and become healthy.
Someone is in the waiting room.
Okay, so Vishnu, please listen to class. Here, I want to share another one. So, why we use seeds as our food? Why we use seeds as our food?
it has so many nutrients.
1 minute. Don't say answers together. Answers in together. Who know? Raise your hand. Okay, I can see so many hands, but I am expecting some more hands. Prinova. Yes, Prinova. Tell me why we use seeds as our food. Prinova. Yes. Tell me fast. Don't waste time.
Has nutrients.
Some more loud. I can't hear you. Some more loud, fast. Yes. No. Okay. Who else? Okay, Sri Shankar. Tell me.
Vitamin C we will get from that.
Okay. Once again, repeat.
Vitamin C.
I can't hear you. It's breaking.
Now vitamin. Your rain is sir, so vitamin ma'am.
1 minute. Some others. Yes, Vishnu.
Am I understood what Sri Shankar is telling?
Okay, Vishnu.
It contains nutrients and pulses.
See, seed stores food inside it. Understood? All the seed stores food inside it. That is why we are also using seed as food. As the seed contains food inside it, if we eat that seed, we will also get food. Right? That is why. So why we are using the seeds as food? Raise your hand. Vaiga. Vaiga, yes, tell me. Ah,
The seeds contain food inside them.
okay, good. Okay, so seeds contain food inside them. That is why, right? Okay. Here I will show some pictures. Okay. Those whom I am allowing, they calling, they only to say the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Together, please. Okay. One minute. See, can you see something
Good
there?
afternoon, ma'am.
See, dear students, 4A students, 4A students, it is not your math period.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, I will call some students, those only to answer it. Okay. Prayag. Prayag. Can you hear me, Prayag? Yes, unmute it, Prayag. Prayag, unmute it, please. Yeah. Can you see something on there on the board? Can you see something there on the board?
Yes.
Can you see, Prayag? See yes or no? Yes. So what is that? What is that? Amin, can you see something there on the board?
Can I?
1 minute, 1 minute. I
Yes,
will bring it. Okay, I will bring it now. Yeah, can you see now?
Yes.
Yes,
Amin, what is that?
rice.
Okay, rice. Okay, here.
Ma'am,
So, Amin, tell me what is that one?
rice.
Rice. Are you using this at home?
Yes.
Okay. What is the use of it? What is the use of it?
Eat. For eat.
Okay, okay. For you will, we can boil this rice in water and we can use it, right? We can consume it. It is the main food, right? So
Yes.
next one. So those 5A students, please leave from this class. Your class is at board 7. It is not your period. Please check your timetable.
Excuse
So
me,
here
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, this rice will sprout.
This rice will also sprout, not like the green gram and all. It is also germinate.
I didn't see that. That's
Can
why,
you
ma'am.
see this? Can you see this one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Aromal. What is the name of this one? Unmute it and see it.
That is corn.
So I can't hear you. It is the corn. It is
Yes,
the
ma'am. He said that.
That is corn.
Okay, I can't hear that one. See here, this one, you can say it. What is this? Wheat. Okay, wheat. Prayak, are you using these all in your food? Rice, corn, wheat and all. Are you using this all? Huh? No. Rice, you haven't seen it in raw. These all are raw seeds. Okay. This rice we can boil and we can use it. This corn is also we can use it in some
Ma'am,
salad.
is that
Pizza.
corn is a seed?
Huh?
Corn is a seed?
Corn is also a seed.
Wow.
Okay.
It's
That
new
corn
information.
also we
Then
can
we will eat that.
See next one, wheat also, right? Wheat powder we are using. And next
We are
one,
not using
oats.
wheat.
Oats, can you see it? Oats. Are you
Yes, ma'am.
using oats?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My mother will use.
Yes, ma'am.
Mother will
Last
use.
one, okay, no problem. Last one is barley. I think you won't be familiar with barley, but if you if you are asking to your parents, they may be showing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the name?
Yes,
Can you repeat the
barley.
barley?
So
Can you write that spelling?
I saw the
Barley. Barley.
Ma'am,
Coffee seed.
C-A-R-E.
Ma'am, coffee seed.
Coffee seeds also we can use it, but I am not including this coffee seed in this group. I am
that
showing
in
one group.
sarbat and all we are putting.
We are showing, I want to show you a group of seeds which we use it as food. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so
Ma'am,
here
can you say the spelling?
B-A-R-L-E-Y.
B-A-R. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so check it. Okay, so here you can see different types of seeds which we use it as food. Okay, so these type of seeds have one common name. These type of seeds have a common name. Can you say it? The common name of it? Can anybody say the common name for these all seeds?
I don't know.
These are
Pulses.
cereals. These are called cereals.
Oh,
Cereal.
Why? It is not the pulses. These are cereals. Okay.
Cereals.
C-E-R-E-A-L-S. Cereals. Cereals
Cereals.
are seeds like rice, corn, wheat, maize. So many are there. Some familiar ones only I took it. Okay. Oats, barley. These all seeds we can use it as food. These all seeds are called cereals. Okay. Yes.
We get this from carbohydrate only.
No, we will get carbohydrate out of these cereals. Out of these cereals, we get carbohydrate, quick energy. So next one, can you see some more seeds here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
Are we use these seeds as a main food?
No, ma'am.
No,
Sometimes only.
we are making side dish, curries for the
Yes,
main
ma'am.
food, right? We are using these all seeds, in our
Curries.
diet as a side dish, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
cereals, cereals, we use it as main food. Chapati is made out of wheat, rice made out of raw rice. These all we are using it as a main food. But in the second slide, some seeds I showed you, that seeds we are using as a side dish, as a part of the main food. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Green gram curry and all.
okay, let me share it.
Without side food, we cannot eat.
So this green gram, Bengal gram, like rice or like chapati, will you eat Bengal gram and all? No. We will make some curry out of it and we
Some
will use with the
Yes, ma'am.
chapatis. This also.
Green peas curry, ma'am.
So green peas, so many types of seeds you can see. These seeds have a common name. That is, what is the name for that? Common name for these
Pulses.
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 So green gram, Bengal gram, kidney beans, green peas, then normal beans. So many type of dal, tuvar dal, likewise so many type of
Sambar dal, ma'am.
chana
Sambar.
dal, Bengal gram dal. These all.
What is red lentil?
Sorry, red lentil.
Ma'am, what
That
is red
also
lentil?
that
That
is also
sambar's one.
that is also a type of pulse. Okay, so many, when you go to some shops, you can see, especially in the malls, you can see so many type of pulses.
Ma'am, we are putting that in sambar.
Yeah, that is also, we can put it. So these all are called pulses. Okay, so these cereals and pulses, we are using it as food. These cereals and pulses are also seeds. Am I right? So
Yes,
what is the
it
use
is.
of seeds?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the use of seeds?
It has food contents.
Seeds such as cereals and pulses, we can sprout it and also we can use as in main food. Understood? Cereals
Yes, ma'am.
and pulses are seeds. These cereals and pulses, we can use it as our food. Got it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Understood? So you learned about one use of seeds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
next one. I will show the next one. Please wait. Mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio. Let me show the next one. Here, can you see some more substances?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, those are responding. Only those students are responding. Some are not at all responding. I don't know whether it is due to network issues or anything. Russell? Russell?
Yes, ma'am.
Russell. Okay. See here, can you see some type of seed?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen it, Russell? Have you seen this type of seed?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
using this one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am not using this seed.
Okay. So here we are using at home peanuts. Right?
Will eat so many.
Peanut. Please, students, please mute your audio.
I have sunflower seed.
Here we can see some peanuts, soya bean. That also is there at your home, right? Sunflower seeds,
ma'am.
seeds of the sunflower plant. Then rice bran. You may have doubt what is the rice bran. The rice bran, I will tell you. Have you heard about rice bran oil?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Have you heard this Malayalam word tavidenna?
Yes, ma'am. We are using that.
Tavidenna.
No, ma'am.
Rice bran oil. Rice bran oil.
We are
That
using.
means the oil which comes out of the bran, rice bran. I will tell you what is rice bran. Have you seen a white coating over each rice?
Yes,
Have you seen
ma'am.
that?
Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays you are getting only white colored rice, right?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is after removing the brown covering over the rice. That brown covering is called rice bran, tavida. The brown covering
Yes, ma'am.
over each rice is called rice bran.
We had
Ma'am,
it rice
I
brand
heard this.
also.
I'm not using.
From that rice bran, we can extract oil from it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
We are using that and all.
Palm fruit. Palm fruit means from the palm fruit we can see a seed there. From that seed we can make palm oil. Have you heard about it, palm oil?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
had heard about it, but we are not using.
Okay, when you are visiting Adirapalli, you can see on both sides of that road, you can see this palm trees are there. Lot of palm trees are there. They are used the palm tree estates. They
Now
are
also it is
growing the palm trees there. They are growing the palm trees there.
From palm trees we get dates, no?
That is another type. That is another type. Here another type palm tree is also there. From that we will get the palm oil. Okay. Another one, see same seed. Ella. Have you heard about ella?
yes, ma'am, black and white.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Black is also there. White is also there. It's a two color. Okay. So this sesame means one seed. In Malayalam, we can call it ella. So when you hear these common words, you will be very familiar with that one. That is why I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
mentioning the Malayalam word.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Cotton seed. Cotton seed means seed comes out of cotton plant.
Excuse me,
along
ma'am.
with- please wait. When we get the cotton, you can see a black colored cotton seed from it, right? And coconut, no need to introduce you. You know that.
Yeah, ma'am.
So these all are seeds. These all are different types of seeds that we get from plants. What is the use of these all seeds? What is the use of these all seeds?
We use them as food.
Use them in our food, and also
ma'am.
mainly from these type of seeds we can extract oil.
All the time so.
We can extract oil out of it. Understood? We can extract oil from these sources. So, some of the seeds like coconut, soya bean, sunflower seed, etc. We can get, we can produce oil out of it. That is the second use of seeds. So, we are
Peanut oil also.
please wait. We are learning about different uses of seeds. First, we learn seeds like cereals and pulses. We are using it in our food. So seeds like coconut, sesame, sunflower seed. These all we can use it. We can extract oil out of it. And the last one, third one.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Finish. Time finish to issue. Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. I have a doubt.
Ma'am.
Time finished.
The time is so.
No. Time finished. There is.
Now the time is 12:39.
It's our failure.
Someone is the host. Rainy Thomas. Ma'am came.
Sorry,
Ma'am.
there
Ma'am,
was power failure. That is why. And now is our time. It is over. So can we stop it today?
Yes, ma'am.
Someone asked doubt, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Freya, you told one doubt or something.
Ma'am, someone asked so many. Someone told you so many times for asking something.
Anandara.
I can't hear you. Say it loudly.
Ma'am, ma'am, someone called you so many times to ask something.
Who it is?
Anand,
Anandan Raj? Okay, what you want to say, Anandan? Oh, his voice is so low. I can't hear his voice. That is why. Okay, Anandan.
Sunflower seed is.
Sorry?
Sunflower seed will be in your sunflower.
Okay. So let me stop today's session. We will continue in the next one.